You will love the features of this 2019 Chrysler 300. This vehicle still has fewer than 20,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The luxurious 300 combines traditional full-size sedan comfort and refinement with the latest in smart technology, resulting in a deliciously modern and sophisticated automobile. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Old world elegance meets advanced safety and connectivity technology in the 300. Drive it today.